Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to make yellow teeth to white teeth with Photoshop. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Place a photo you want to make. Select Lasso tool and select the area of yellow teeth. After that, go to Layer and click Create New Fill or Adjust Layer. And click Hue and Saturation. Change Master to Yellows. After that, adjust Lightness to 100+. It's all done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.